Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, tackling, difficult. Let go. I don't know why you love me.
Hey guys, so it's 11:32. I just got out the bed, but I've been up for a while, checking emails, going through my phone, stuff like that. I need to write down my appointments and stuff because now I have to make another appointment, and it has to be done this upcoming week. And this upcoming week I have crazy appointments coming in, but I usually don't check until like the day before, and the day before I'll get messages that says like, hey, we look forward to seeing you tomorrow, such and such, yada yada yada, and then I kind of plan my day accordingly. Well, now I have to set an appointment, and I don't know when I can fit these people in. So yeah, so I was trying to figure that stuff out this morning, my finances and stuff like that. I took a break. I tried to do some vlogging and, well, editing. I tried to do some editing, took a break from that. I keep taking a break at the same place, but I think that it's not saving what I'm doing, so I'm getting really frustrated. It's always something. And then update on my iMac. It's been pushed back to June 7th through the 27th. Super crazy. Super fucking crazy. So I hit up Apple and I was like, can you guys compensate me in some type of way? Clearly I'm a student. I have the student bundle package. So I'm like, this whole time, you know, I could show you guys proof where I'm having issues turning in my homework and stuff with other devices. Like, is there some way that you guys can compensate me for this? And he was like, oh, 1 minute, let me check. And then we got disconnected. So I will be calling back because I feel like if you're an employee, you should know. You should be like, oh, generally we don't do that, or no, we don't have any compensation, or you know what I'm saying? Like, so it might be something that they can do. I will be calling them back because I really don't appreciate that. My shit was supposed to be sent to me, what was it, like April 7th? Yeah, April 7th. And then I kept getting pushed back. So it's just ridiculous at this point. And then they put the money on the Apple Card, and then they took it off, and then they put it back on there. It's like a hold, and then they took it back off. Like, y'all keep playing with my card. What if I wanted to do something else with my card? Like, you're holding me up. But anyway, I always come on here looking crazy. I'm about to wash my hair. I be having dandruff sometimes. I don't know if you can see. I was going to say it's barely happening now. It's not, though. I be having like dandruff. My hair be itching. Sometimes it be so bad. I be like, oh my gosh, what's happening? I need to go to the ER. I be crying. The first time that shit happened, I called my mom and I was damn near crying. But she told me to get some tea gel, and I did, and oh my gosh, it worked so good. So I got some more of that. I feel like I only used this like twice and the bottle was gone. I don't know if my kids poured it out or what, but I got some more of this, so I'm gonna wash my hair with that. And then the other thing I got the Function of Beauty. I got the conditioner, coily hair. It don't look like it right now. I had blow dried my hair out, and then I had put it in a ponytail, and then I braided it, so it kind of looked more on the straighter side because it was blow dried out. But it's obviously humidity got to it, so I look like Lenny Kravitz. So then I also got the leave-in conditioner. This is all I really wanted, but I ended up getting the conditioner as well. And I did not get the shampoo, but I got the boosters, and you're supposed to put it in the shampoo and the conditioner. So I'm gonna put it in the conditioner, and I got a bunch of them too. I'm gonna put it in the conditioner, and then I'm gonna put a little bit in the leave-in because I don't want it to be super greasy. So this one is the Length, Strength, Deep Condition, Volumize. What's this one? Shine, Soothe Scalp. The tea gel should do it, but just in case. The Anti-Frizz. I want to see how that works. I'm sick of this. And then I got the Thermal Protection. So yeah, those are what I got. And then I got the foam wash Shanice Alicia made me do it. And then I saw Chelsea had it. So I was like, let me see. Because it just popped up when I was doing my shopping. And I was like, I think that's what they had. Well, Shanice Alicia. So I was like, let me get that. And then after I ordered, I saw Chelsea had it. So I was like, okay, I'm going to try it. I generally don't use stuff like this. But it's no everything. No sulfates, no parabens. I mean, it seems legit. So I was like, I'll give it a try. But yeah, so I'm about to wash my hair and all that stuff right now. And then I'm going to finish cleaning up around the house. It's the weekend, so we really focus on that during the weekend. Washing clothes and stuff like that. But yeah, I'll come back and show y'all how my hair turns out. Oh, also it smells so good. It smells so good. I hope it still smells like that after I rinse it out my hair. The leave-in conditioner is not that strong. The smell's not that strong, so I hope it stays. But this is what the little packets look like. So you kind of tear the tip off and then you'll squeeze it in the bottle.
Sure we had fun tonight. You and me felt alright. But it's time you pick up your phone. You won't be worth my while. Me and you won't work out. Pick it up, pack it up, get a cab and go. It's not your fault, my baby. It's not on you, my baby. I'm just not the right kind of girl for you. You deserve somebody who's loving you. You shouldn't call me later. Promise it's for the better. I'm just not the right kind of girl for you. Cause I got a rule. I hold on to my heart. Share with nobody. I don't want nobody else. Yeah, I hold on to my heart. Give it up for nobody. I just keep it to myself. I ain't got room for love. I don't need stars above. All I need is my precious space. Yeah. Why you so serious? Can't you just be mine for a night, my love? Take it off, put it on, then be on your way. It's not your fault, my baby. It's not on you, my baby. I'm just not the right kind of girl for you. You deserve somebody who's loving you. You shouldn't call me later. Promise it's for the better. I'm just not the right kind of girl for you. Cause I got a rule. I hold on to my heart. Share with nobody. I don't want nobody else. Yeah, I hold on to my heart. Give it up for nobody. I just keep it to myself. I've been too hurt before. I've been through hell and more. So I hold on to my heart. I've been alone before. This way I won't get bored. So I hold on to my heart.
I wish it would stay like this for dry. I would definitely wear it.
I'm just not the right kind of girl for you. You deserve somebody who's loving you. You shouldn't call me later. Promise it's for the better. I'm just not the right kind of girl for you. Cause I got a rule. I hold on to my heart. Share with nobody. I don't want nobody else. Yeah.
We're at Home Depot and I just saw these. The measurements to this is a 6x8. And that's what it looks like up close. But it does say here $21.97 artificial grass rug if you guys want to use that for your wall decor. Though I got mine from Ross. It was the only one there. Never seen them there again before. So again, we're at Home Depot. I just want to say, make sure you guys check this aisle if you have it. Because like this is a really good brand. But this is 50 cents. And then these big ones are $9. If you do like flips or Airbnb touch-ups, nursing home facility touch-ups, like I'll be doing, that's a really good price. So check them out.
Like I wanna see her form. Tell me what you for, yeah. Ayy, and pay me what I'm owed, yeah. All this money on me. Yeah. Cash rolls all around me. Yeah. All this money around me.
That'll be all. Okay, thank you.
So, fuck who you think you is, you got me in a mode. Where I'm from, we live and die by the code. Either that or sell your soul to get a roll. Black boy joy, she wanna see the Forbes like I wanna see her form. Tell me what you for, yeah. Hey, it pay me what I'm owed, yeah. Yeah, all this money on.
Okay, at this point, we just eating because she ain't coming to check on us. I'm just nibbling a little bit. Waiting on the check, waiting on some boxes.
Hop in the hood, baby, inside my way. I'll play the catcher, baby, just slide on me. Only time you lie is when you lie on me. Be my forever, baby, come ride my wave. Hop in the hood, baby, inside my way. I play the catcher, baby, just slide on me. Only time you lie is when you lie on me.
And then I'm gonna be stupid.
I don't think so. I want to get this, but I don't even know if I have a Blu-ray DVD player because when I moved, people was just throwing stuff away. I know I told them to throw the DVDs away, but I don't think I told them to throw the player away. What is it? Turn it around. So it's a JoJo Siwa sparkling water, vitamin. There you go. Flavored sparkling water. Beverage with vitamins. They also had Peppa Pig. These are cute. Never seen them before.
And I'm taking my dog with me.
Watch her look back. Up, wrong way, huh? What are you doing here? Get out of here.
No, there was a cat.
You love cats.
No, a scary dog cat. Chasing me.
Bye.
A cat? No! No!
Okay, are you guys ready to see what I'm working on? It done got real. I don't even know the word for it. But anyway, I forgot to like show you guys what I was doing before I did it, and so I don't have before and after, but here's what it looked like. I did not touch the top row. That's like all the pastas and side dishes and stuff. And yeah, checking dates, getting stuff thrown away. Got some more stuff over there. And yeah, so I found a lot of stuff piled up in here that the kids had. I don't normally go in here. I haven't been cooking lately, but yeah, this is the pile of stuff I'm throwing away. Found some open containers, cans. Yeah, it's getting real gonky. And the kitchen was clean, but I've now destroyed that with throwing trash in there. Moving on to the living room where I put all the stuff so I can sort it and be comfortable. This stuff was literally just piled up on the floor. Kids had it piled up on the floor. Yeah, much worse than when I originally went in there. I think I showed you guys a few vlogs back. It did not look like that at all. So I'm gonna sit here and sort through. I already started doing some of the cereals and the pastas and side dishes and snacks and stuff like that. So I'm gonna just finish going through this stuff, checking dates, seeing what's open, what's not, and what I want to keep and whatever, stuff like that.
Just text, I know it's a toss up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Ayy, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? Look, I'm trying to spend this time with you. Know we overdue. What you doing right now? Baby, won't you swing my way? It's been a day and I've been thinking out loud. I know I want you. Long time since the last time. Got a tab, we could run up. Knew you from the way, now we grown up. My look, yeah, made the realest ones nervous, but...
Okay, so same thing. Still haven't touched nothing up there. Everything here I think is the same. Everything there I think is the same. Now, I moved stuff from this bottom shelf, well, underneath, so that I could clean there. I'm gonna take a rag and go along the baseboards though. I just mopped. I just wiped this wall down as much as I could. Have my little helper here. She wants to say hi. And yeah, so we're about to finish doing this. And move along. Sorry, that's the stuff that came out of there when I was mopping. It was stuck to the floor. About to move along to the living room after this.
If you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land. We could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. Just text, I know it's a toss-up.
Act like we don't see this. I actually decided to do something else with this. I don't want this to taste the same as the potatoes, which it's not gonna taste the same because it's not the same thing, but I don't want the same flavors.
Used to be ashamed who I was, now I'm paid by the sentence. Taking my time with it. Baby, give me yours, so I could get them butterflies trapped in your rib cage. Let me know we on the same page. Give me with a text, voice note or an emoji. Waiting all day for your name on the ID. So if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land. And we could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. Just text, I know it's a toss-up.
Have to wait.
Okay.